Yahoo! Prof here, and today we have some Pokemon Pulse, specifically the shiny Crobat VMAX Premium Collection. This is one I'm opening because it's a little bit damaged here. I do have a second one that I'm going to sell because I didn't need two. That doesn't have it. It's in mint condition. The other one is the Dragapult. But since there's two different ones, I ordered three because I think it was off Amazon, and they don't let you select which one when you order. So I ordered three to make sure I got the two different ones. That means that the non-damaged box version of this, because I really don't care if it's damaged, because I'm going to cut it open, slice, will be up for sale. If any of you are interested, hit me up over on Twitter at the Prof, and we can figure something out. But yeah, let's get to the Pokemon polls. And I need to take a little snappy snap here for the old, social medias. And, yeah. Let's, so in here, before I cut it open, we are supposed to have, in focus, here we go, one etched promo card featuring Shiny Crobat V, one etched promo card featuring Shiny Crobat VMAX, one oversized Shiny Crobat VMAX, one metallic coin, Crobat, 7 boosters, and an online code card. 7 boosters for a premium box is quite a lot. These are brand spanking new. They're not Amazon warehouse or anything. They just finally came in. I pre-ordered these back in, I think I pre-ordered Battle Styles in February, like middle of February. That means that this is what, end of January, beginning of February. All right. So there's our Crobat V and our Crobat VMAX. Yep, code card's on the back. That's what I was double checking. If you guys do want the code card, you gotta hit me up over on Twitter, same place at the Prof. Let me know what video you watched and which code card you want. Like, obviously, I think all of these are Shining Fates. Yes, they are all Shining Fates. So in this case, it'd be, hey, can I have a code for Shining Fates? And I have plenty, so you might even get 2. Or more. Alright, so here is really kind of hard to see. Here's our Crobat coin. It's one of the big ones. Not metal, but it's very, very holographic. Right there. Grab a black sleeve protected here, just because I can get those at Walmart. So they're not like disposable, but they are far easier to get more of. Alright, well there is the Crobat VMAX oversized card there. Here is our, oh man, that really pops. We have, by the way, both the top and the front lights on right now. Here, let's turn off the top one. That thing is super freaking shiny. I can show you guys. So the top and the front. Here's the shiny Crobat VMAX, a little less crazy. That's with the top light off. Is that easier or harder to see? And then here is with the front lights off, which make it like really hard to see in my opinion. See how I gotta like angle it up like that to get light. These things are dope though. Crobat, definitely bigger for me than Dragapult. So, and yeah, when they say etched, the Crobat V for sure is. It's like textured. Same thing with the Crobat VMAX, but not as much. And then here we have the giant one. Same sort of thing. Add that to my collection. I'm gonna have to a little bit behind on taking pictures, but here we have our 4 packs on the left side, and we have our 3 packs on the right side. Four of that dude, 2 of the Dragapult, 1 of the Charizard. We're gonna go in that order, most to least. Oddly, that plastic was black plastic compared to they're usually like a clear. So interesting. It felt a little bit more recyclable. Maybe that might. I did cut the nails, so hopefully it won't just be, you know, like ripping packs open He-Man style. I think the nails were a little bit to blame there. Yeah, and this is the premium collection, which should be a step up. If you remember, I opened all those Pikachu V boxes. They got a white back, but that does not matter for Shining Fates. They're all white backs, if I recall correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go Electric Energy, Psychic. Wop wow. I should know these pretty darn well because we opened like 11 Pikachu V boxes. So if you guys want a Pikachu V promo card and big promo card, hit me up. Seriously. I got no need for them. Team Yeltal, Luxio, Horsey, Coughing, Shinx, Spinarak, Buizel, Rusted Sword Reverse Hollow, and Zarude. There's literally only, I think, like 3 or 4 rare non-hollows in Shining Fates, which is super duper annoying. In my opinion, there's like the actual set of normal Pokemon in Shining Fates is really limited. But then the amount of shiny Pokemon and secret rares is off the charts. Like, it still makes it like more than average, I would say. That was my work phone. Getting emails. I don't know why all these are backwards for the online cards. The Pikachu V boxes were not, if I recall correctly. 2, 3, 4. Let's go fighting. I'm feeling a fighting energy. Psychic again. Ooh, and I see something back there. I cheated. But you guys saw it too, you cheated with me. Floatzel, Thwackey, Spinarak, Buizel, Qfant, Cacnea, Gossifleur, Yanma Reversal. I have so many of these. And Alchemy VMAX Secret Rare. I already pulled one of these. Seriously, it was one of the last ones that I pulled out of the Pikachu V boxes, and I got another one. So is this officially the least rare secret rare? Because I've got 2 of them. It's crazy. I didn't realize on the last one, but there's actually like stars in the back. But yeah, that is my second one of those. Rainbow Secret Rare, Full Art Alchemy VMAX. I got 2 of those. I guess we got something to trade or cash money for grabs. So I'm really only looking for one of everything, and even then, big thing for me is having fun pulling this stuff, you know. Alright, pack number 3. These packs just want to tear. At least one side of it wants to tear, the other side does not. Which is even worse. Yeah, white backs, green backs don't matter on shiny fates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go fire. Feeling fire. Psychic again. I don't know if I've pulled this many of the same energy in a row ever. Floatzel. Rotom. I have so many of those reverse hollow. Rusted Shield. Snom. We did pull a shiny Snom out of here, which was so nice. Rowlet. Gossifleur. Shiny Galarian Meowth. Okay, that's a decent pull in my opinion. Followed by a rare non-hollow Volcanion. I wonder if I have plenty of these. I'm hoping that those are the same as on the decks, so I can replace the hollows in the decks with non-hollows. Just because if I want to play the deck, I'd rather not use the deck promo hollow that it comes with, you know? That's a nice pull. I dig it. Do you dig it? I dig Meowth in general. But, Galarian Berserker. I've kicked some butts with Persian before. Not Berserker, though. Alright. Online card. All these and these packs are backwards for whatever reason. I don't know. I should probably go grass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going grass. Fighting this time. Okay, at least we got something different. My stacks of online cards and energies are like super tall at the moment. Okay, Rusted Shield, Thwackey, Luxio, Coughing, Morpeko, Yanma, Horsey. Didn't we already have a Horsey? No. Must have been the previous pack. Shinx. Luxray Reverse Hollow. Really matte one, too. And then a Celebi. That would be one of the other ones that is really common. Rare non-hollow Celebi. That was the 4th pack of 7. This Luxray is pretty dope. This in hollow looks much better, though. Pack number 5. Dragapult pack. Backwards online card again. At least I don't have like upside down cards or something. Let's go Electric Energy. Dark. Okay. Team Yelto. Gym Trainer. Luxio. Yanma. Shootle. Qfant. Horsey. Cacnea. Shiny. Dubwool. And a Manaphy. Let's get this shiny Dubwool here. I think I might already have one of these. Get them sleeved up. As always, if I already have one, you know, it's available for sale or trade. For those of you who see one and you have to have it or you're missing it in your collection. Alright, pack number 6. Oh, yeah, these just tear right across. Right across. Online card. One, two, three, 4. I'm feeling fire. Electric. Alright. Dartrix. Edelgauss. Rusted Shield. Plenty of those tonight. I really like this Eevee. As far as I know, though, since it's a common, the best that's available one is Reverse Hollow, which I did pull already. But I really like that Eevee. More Pico. Yanma. Choodle. Qfant. We have another Reverse Hollow Luxray, so definitely up for grabs. Ooh, and a Hollow. True Hollow Indeedee. That's a, I guess a half decent pull if I do say so myself, you know. Alright, and our last pack, Charizard. Last pack of our Crobat VMAX, shiny Crobat VMAX premium collection. Stay tuned next video, by the way, for the Dragapult premium collection from Shining Fates as well. That'll be the next one right after this one. Hopefully all the online cards aren't backwards. I'm assuming they will be, though, just to spite me. Okay, can we get a Grass Energy? Fire. I'm always one behind. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. Besides that whole streak of Psychics in the beginning here. Gym Trainer. Tropius. Team Yellowtail. Buizel. Eevee. Qfant. Cacnea. Nickit. Come on, baby. Let's get something good. Shiny Rookidee. Followed by a Dreadnought. Like I said, I hope those rare non-hollows from the Shining Fates are the same as the ones from the decks. I don't have one on hand to check at the moment. But I would say our last pull of this was pretty darn good in the Rookidee here. Let's take a quick look at what we pulled. Alright. Alright, besides the big Crobat VMAX, shiny Crobat VMAX, we have, here we go, first one, not really a pull, but part of the premium collection, we have a Crobat V. Then we have a shiny Crobat VMAX, Reverse Hollow Rusted Sword, Reverse Hollow Yanma, but then we went Alchemy VMAX, Secret Rare Rainbow, then a pretty badass looking Galarian Meowth here. Shiny Galarian Meowth, I should say. A Reverse Hollow Luxray. A shiny Double. A Reverse Hollow Luxray. A Hollow Indeedee. And last but not least, the shiny Rookidee. Alright, well if you guys enjoyed it, let me know down in the comments. Subscribe to see the other half of this, which is the Dragapult VMAX collection. And we'll hopefully see you there. As always, you can find me as at the Prophecist, and the channel for the latest updates and video releases would be at Tech Exchange. See you in the next one. Have a good one.